M4 June 2016, question 13. A rectangular garden has a length which is 3 meters longer than its width. Let's draw that. So let's call the width x, and the length is 3 meters longer than the width, so let's call it x plus 3. Its length is extended by adding 3 meters. The width is reduced by 2 meters, so let's see what that looks like now. The length is 3 longer, so x plus 3 add another 3 would be x plus 6. The width is reduced by 2, so now it would be x minus 2. Okay, so a rectangular garden has a length which is 3 meters longer than its width. It's called the width x, so the length is x plus 3. Its length is extended by 3 meters, so add 3 onto that, x plus 6. The width is reduced by 2 meters, the width is x, take 2 off, x minus 2. The area of the newly made garden is exactly the same as the area of the original garden. Find the length, then find the new length and width. So we want to know what these two numbers will be. Let's get x first of all. X will be the area, putting the two areas of these equal to each other. That will form an equation which we can solve to find x. So what's the area of the first one? It'll be x times x plus 3, and the second one will be x minus 2, x plus 6. If we expand the left one, we get x squared plus 3x. Expand the right, x squared plus 6x minus 2x minus 12. We'll bring everything, well, there's x squared on both sides. If you subtract the x squared from both sides, they will actually go, they'll disappear. You're left with 3x on the left, 6x take away 2x is 4x, and a minus 12. So what I would do then is take 3x from both sides, so 0 equals x minus 12, and add 12 to both sides. So we know x is 12. So the new width would be 12 minus 2, so 10. And the new length would be 12 plus 6, which is 18. So new length 18, new width 10.